Good morning, students. Here we start with 15th chapter, that is understanding economic activity. Students, economic activity exists at all levels within a society. It means people do different kinds of activities to fulfill their needs. They do economic and non-economic activities. In this chapter, we discuss about in this chapter we discuss both the topics. First, we discuss about economic activities. Economic activities is an activities which is performed with the basis objectives of earning money and creating wealth. Some activities involve producing goods like growing crops, weaving clothes, manufacturing cement in factories, and some other kind of activities provide services to people like bus drivers, barbers, teachers, shopkeepers. They give their services to us. So, producing goods and providing services are called economic activities. प्रोडक्शन हो या सर्विस, वे सभी एक्टिविटीज़ जिसके द्वारा हमारी अर्निंग होती है इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी कहलाता है. सम इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ लिस्टेड इन योर बुक in page number 230. Students, based on your experience, do an activity. List some more economic activities you see around you. Now come to the next topic, sector of economy, and its includes agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. Also known primary sector, secondary sector, or tertiary sector respectively. Now, one by one, we are going to understand what these sectors of the economy imply. Now, coming on to the primary sector or agriculture or allied sector of the company. As in this image you can see, guys, the agriculture type of activity, it included direct connection to the environment and in allied activities, which includes activities like forestry, fishing, dairy sector, pastoral activities, land and water, mining and extraction of oil or coal mining, etc. Dear students, agriculture and allied sector is basically related to nature or environment. Let's come to the next level of economic sector, industrial sector. In this sector, goods are manufactured by using machines, tools, and human labors. For example, using bamboos, manufacture baskets, from sugarcane to manufacture jaggery, leather to manufacture shoes. Industries are also classified into three parts: cottage industry, small scale industry, large scale industry. Let's discuss about cottage industries. Cottage industries are those in which very less number of people were working in household, mostly by family members, like basket making, paper bag making, disposal item making, and mats. Next is small scale industries. It requires more capital and labor compared to cottage industry. Here, production is done by using small or medium sized machines. Examples of small scale industries are rice mill, printing press, small factories, brick kiln, etc. The next level is large scale industry. Large scale industries requires much higher capital, mass of machines and resources. Large number of laborers also include goods are manufactured in large factories. Example of large scale industries are cement and steel factories, automobile factories, etc. Now come to the tertiary sector of economy, which also known as service sector of economy. These include varied services like banking, communication, education, transport, hospitals, etc. All government services fall within this category. By giving one example, I will explain here. We take hospitals. Doctors and nurses give their service to the patient. For that, they charge money. So, it undercome to service sector. Okay, children. Thank you. We need your cooperation and your awareness, and your safety is our first priority. So, my dear children, wear mask, maintain social distancing. I hope you all should stay home and stay safe. I will meet you in your next class. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.